Hey friends, Chris here, the Purpose Bait Company. Got a good one for you today. I got an order from Circle B Tackle. I've seen this color on Facebook, posted around all the different groups, and their Chartreuse, to me, kept standing out. I'm looking at this color going, that's the best Chartreuse I've ever seen. So I picked up some product. We're going to make a bait solely on what we got from this order. So what I did, should show you what I got, right? Here's the two colors I got. Chartreuse and motor oil, my favorite colors. And I got their 6-pack of medium holographic glitter. So we're going to use 2 of those. What we're going to do first is we're going to shoot the colors by himself. We're going to use the lizard mold because that's my favorite color in the lizard, Chartreuse and motor oil. We're going to shoot it first with just those 2 colors. And then after that, we're going to add some flake in. And out of that 6-pack of flake, I picked out, of course, purple and red for the Chartreuse, and then copper and red for the motor oil. You guys curious about this one? Haven't done this before, have no idea how it's going to turn out, but we're going to try. So if you're interested, you know what to do next. Stick around. Let's shoot some baits. All right, guys. First cup's up to temperature. I had someone reach out before we start. This is kind of important. I had someone important in the industry reach out to me. Won't name names, but he made a very good point. I am not very good at wearing my PPE, and it's something that you have to wear. It's just one accident away from making a mistake. So, sir, I listened. Trust me. If you're watching. If you aren't, I'm still listening. But thank you. First cup, up to temperature. Okay, so let's just start with what the directions say. Start with motor oil. It says 4 drops for every ounce. Half a cup, so we got 8 ounces. Let's just start there and see where it goes. So 8 drops. Oh, these bottles are really nice, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So there's our 8 drops in half a cup, 4 ounces. Oh yeah. Look at that. Very nice, very brown. All right. Should we play? Yes, we should. Because that's what we do here. We experiment. How many more drops? 4. So 12. These bottles are thick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is what? 12. 12 drops total. What do you guys think? That looks good. Okay, let's just shoot that. So we'll do 12 motor oil. Start with 8 with the Chartreuse, and then see where it goes from there. All right, let's get another temperature, other cup up to temperature. Keep this one where it's at. We'll rock and roll. Be right back. Up to temp. Chartreuse. Start with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry for the beeping. That's the other color. Keep it warm. Oh yeah. Oh, we definitely got to up the saturation on that. 4 more. 12, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's light. Let's just shoot that. Seriously, let's just shoot the 12 and 12. We can always come back and make an adjustment. After we see the bait, we can see. We got to play, we got to play. Because the second round, we're only shooting one mold. So we got the ability to kind of dial in that recipe based on what we're shooting. That's what's like, doing this, I've learned that. It's hugely important to understand saturation, because on different baits, depending on their thickness, that color can really affect it. So I'm starting to like really tailor what I'm doing to one specific mold. And then from there, like really have a recipe. I want to, you know, be able to adjust from there, but I know I want to shoot one single mold. I know exactly what I want that recipe to be. So let's just shoot and see what happens. Okay, I got our second color here. See what temperature it's at. 340, perfect. Let it cool down a little bit. Shoot it between 320, 330. I like the brown in that. This temperature, she's still a little warm, 350. They got that one a little hot, but again, another perfect instance of why Lulu Works Pour Salt Pro is fantastic, because I got that a little warm and it works. It didn't yellow, didn't burn, doesn't smell as much as nearly anything else out there, so it's good. In my humble opinion, it's the best I've used. All right, we'll get everything situated, get the other camera turned around. Let's shoot this first round. Be right back. All right, guys, both are up to temp. Get our injector out. Let's do this right. Belly color on the right. Top color on the left. Bottom, top, injector. Oh. I watched Adam's tips for bait makers. Canola oil and 3-in-1. Big difference. Big difference. Sucked a little air. Go with Mr. Shimmer's trick. Tips up. Get them both to come out. There we go. Give us a purge. And inject. A little pressure. Top it off. Nothing added, straight out of the bottle. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, you guys ready? There's our purge. Looks pretty good. Let's see what our blending block looks like. Man, that Chartreuse. I'm telling you, I love this Chartreuse. There you go. There you go. Say goodbye to the Hero 8 too. For next video, it'll be replaced. Tired of this thing. Cool. You guys seen that? Now let's see what the Epic Lizards look like. Actually poured that one pretty clean. I'm learning. Ah. All right, we'll go to the GoPro. Don't fail me, GoPro. Oh, forgot this way. What a cool color. All right. Wow. Okay, so it really soaked it up. Boy, is that cool. Look at that. A little bit more saturation? Tell me that doesn't look good. Whoa. 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 Oh, we can play with that. Oh, we're definitely going to up the saturation. But boy, does that look good. With just color by itself? Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. Right? Oh. What's it going to look like with more saturation? It's a little bit more flake. There is some flake in it, right? So you're saying there's a chance. All right, cool. Stop gawking. Let's get to work. Top color's back up to temp. So we started at 12. Let's go 15, so 3 more. Which actually technically would be, since we're used half a cup, we'll have to do some math later. But at least we know we added more. We can adjust from there. Okay, good. So 15, 3 more and 1/4 of a cup. Let's add our flake. Let's add our flake. See what that does to our saturation level. It's not even open yet. Pretty. All right. Let's go 16th, just because we can. Look at that stuff. Pretty good. Okay, 16th. Looks good. What would it look like with a drop of chartreuse in there? Nope, can't do it. Maybe 3rd round. Maybe bonus round. We'll see. All right. Let's do that to the bottom color. Get this all beat in there. Add our flake to the bottom color. Got a couple more drops to it too. Let's see where it gets us. Kind of fun doing it this way. You do it in stages. You can really adjust as you go based on what you're seeing. And only with a half a cup, you're not really wasting that much. So I kind of enjoy this. Be right back. All right, guys. Bottom color is up to temp. Let's go in and add some more drops. So we'll do it like we did at the top. Add a couple more drops. 3. I had to count my head. Oh, does that look like I put the wrong top on it? I think I did. Oh, I did. That's okay. All right. All right. All right. We'll make do. We always do. All right. The purple red and the chartreuse. Purple red, chartreuse. Another beautiful color. Okay. Another pinch. Even pinch. What's it do? Okay. Interesting. I like the purple in the chartreuse. I like that. And the red will tie into top color? Maybe? Hey, we're going to find out. All right, cool. I'm liking this. Let's get these back up to temp. Get them ready to shoot. Rock and roll. Up to temp. Oh, yeah. air to come out of these. Perfect. Purge. Good. And we inject. Stupid GoPro. Turn yellow. I'm so glad this thing's gone. You guys know what to do next. Sit there for a second. We'll be right back. All right, we waited long enough. See, that 1 second goes pretty fast. Don't mind me. My humor's a lot. There's our purge. Where's our first purge? That was our first purge, dumbass. There's our second purge. First and second. Come on, GoPro. Do your thing. Work one last time for me. Cool. That's enough of that. Go back to our blending block. That purple in Chartreuse is really nice. All right. Now it's time for the main event. Let's see what our lizards look like. Okay. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yes. Man, that looks really good. You guys see? Bottom. Top. Bottom. A lamination line. Maybe. Where is it? There it is. All right, let's go to this camera. All right, bottom. Top. Well, there it is. Okay, let's pop one off. Do a side-by-side comparison. Let's see what we did. Come over here. There's our first round. There's our second round. Man, I don't know. That first round just looks so natural. You guys comment down below. Seriously. First round. Second round. That's pretty different. Huh. I really like the first round. What do you guys think? Seriously. First round or second round? I was not expecting that. I love the purple in the Chartreuse, and I love the red. But just the way that the natural body is stated, with those two colors blending like that, with the Monroe backer, the Chartreuse belly. Third round. What should we do though? What should we do to the third round? We know what that glitter looks like, right? I'm perplexed. I don't know what I want to do next. All right. We got to think about this one. We'll be back. Did you guys come up with anything? I'm still debating. I mean, I like them both. I like the simpleness, simplicity of the first one. I don't know why. I just do. There's no reason for it. I just like how simple and natural it looks. But I think I did come up with something. Why don't we darken up each color, really saturate it, get both colors to pop, instead of going to motor oil on the top, or the red and copper. Let's change it to a black flake. Still sticking with Circle B, of course. Let's go with a little halo smoke. Maybe. Why not? Okay. Let me get another half cup ready. And then that way we can take what we learned in the first 2 rounds, apply it to the 3rd round, and see if we can come up with a color that we all like. Stay tuned. Pastels up to temp. 19, 20. Okay, there's 20 in half a cup. There's some good saturation. Okay, so like we talked about round 1, maybe we add 1 drop of Chartreuse. Looks pretty good. Okay, 1 drop Chartreuse. Boop. Where are we at? Ah, boiler's kicking on. Nice. All right, good. So now we like that. Sticking with Circle B. Oh, I forgot. I still got to take the lids off these things. They're brand new. Okay. Black halo on top. Another beautiful color. 1/16. Excuse me. Did I say 1/8? 1/16. Where does that get us? I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Now let's get our 2nd cup up to temperature. Make our adjustments there. Bottom colors up to temp. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Sure. Okay. This time we're going to change up the bottom color too. We're going to go with Silver Flake, see what that looks like. So we've got Circle B Professional Color Shift. Silver. I don't know why that was so difficult. Who knows? Wait, before we do that, stir it up. Look at that Chartreuse. Oh, I do love that Chartreuse. Right? Okay. Is that our flake? /16. Stir that in there. Oh yeah. Okay, good. Get our colors back up to temp. Let's shoot this round 3. See what we get. 20 drops, half a cup. Okay. Bottom, top, this way. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. There we go. All right. Saturation was key. That gave it, right? The saturation was what was key. But again, that's what's so much fun about like taking your time working through this stuff, you know? And you guys could all have a different opinion, and that's okay. But this is kind of what I had in my mind what I wanted this bait to look like. Like everyone has their own little flair they want to turn on something, put on something. Like all 3 of those colors we built, all 3 of them will work, right? It's just what's in your mind, what you want to create. Huh? I like that. Chartreuse, little silver, little bluegill imitation, right? And that's just using Circle B product. You know what I mean? That's just with one order with that 6-pack of hollow shift and the 2 colors. I'm very impressed, by the way, with the Circle B product. Like this motor oil, I've always been a MF. Their motor oil to me was it. I've tried a couple other ones. They're good, don't get me wrong, but that color has always been, to me, I like that greenish tint. But for some reason, I love how natural that Circle B looks. This is a really good color. With that chartreuse in the bottom. All right, let's get all 3 of them together. Let's just show all 3 of them side by side. And then we have closing ceremonies. We got a really cool bait swap coming up. So let's get this over with. You guys are sick of seeing me. I know. It's okay. Love you. But here we go. First one, our simple. Right. Our second one, a little bit more saturation. Red hollow. And the plum and red hollow on the bottom. Still a great color. Still a great color. And our third version. Even more saturation. 1 drop of chartreuse on the top. And a color, a flake change. Here they are. All 3 of them by themselves. All 3 together. 1, 2, and 3. So you guys tell me, which of those 3 did you like the best? Which one would you throw with confidence? What would you do differently? Keep in mind, this is just round 1. This is kind of how I like to build colors. So I thought it was kind of cool to be able to show that, especially with new product I haven't used before. This is the process I like to go through to see what works, to see what doesn't work. You guys may have your own process, which is fantastic. I just want to share mine because this is how I learn. I learn more visually. I got to learn the stove's hot before I actually know it's hot, if you know what I mean. So we did good. I really like Circle B product though. Their colorant, fantastic. Very impressed with the hollow shift. The holographic flake, really good stuff. So thank you, Circle B. So that's it. That's it. We did good. Guys, let's get to a bait swap. And then that'll be it. Till next week. Okay, stay tuned. Stay right there. Right there. So Gino from Rams Lures, or Rams Off the Hook Bait Shop, reached out to me, and he wanted to see the Slayers. I had the 1/16 and the 1/8 done. He wanted to see those, so we did a bait swap. And look what he sent me. This is pretty special. He's a veteran, so Gino, again, thank you for your service. In fact, all the anyone that served this country, paramedics, firemen, nurses, police officers. I don't care if you served this country in any shape, way, or form. You have my gratitude, because you guys are the real heroes. You unselfishly run toward the problem when everyone else runs away. So keep in mind, there's a lot of people just like me that really support you guys and what you do. So Gino and everyone else that may watch this, thank you. But look at this. Gave me a token of appreciation. I've never served, but everyone who has nothing but my respect. So this is special. This is good. This is going to stay. That's going to stay someplace special. Nice sticker, right? Gino, excellent. I love the flag. Love the flag there. Great looking sticker. But look at these baits too. So this is motor oil, of course, in this stick bait. Get this out of the package for you. Look at this guy. All right, we shot motor oil today. He sent me motor oil. Cheeto, how did you know that I like motor oil? Look at that. Great looking stick bait. Great looking stick bait, Gino. Okay. These swim baits. Calls this Royal Pearl. This is actually a really cool swim bait. This is the first swim bait style, this paddle tail ribbed, that I've ever caught a fish off of. So, and that color, look at that. The purple. Love purple. Look at Gino doing his homework. Look at that. Look how good that is. Such a good bait. But this style is what swim bait wise, I love this style of swim bait. Haven't thrown the other ones yet. It's kind of what, this season's going to be all about, is learning those other swim baits like we talked about, I think, second video or something. It's been a while. I can't believe I keep doing it. But it's actually how much I love it. Because of all of you guys, I've met so many good people through this. These bait swaps are phenomenal. You get to interact with so many great people. But the community itself, I mean, there's so many good people. Never thought it was possible, but here we are. Okay. Gino, again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. These are fantastic. I'm going to catch some fish on these. You wait. That's it. Really appreciate you all for everything. I hope you guys are just doing good. I hope you guys are just good. Okay? So that's it. Appreciate you. Have a great week. See you next Wednesday, 10 a.m. I'm going to make that my kind of like every day, like every weekly upload. That way I'm not, buttoning anyone and it seems like out of the way. Because it's just, I don't care about if we get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't care about any of that. It's just kind of fun to do, and I'm enjoying doing it just because of the people I'm meeting. So, yeah, that's it. See y'all next week. Love you. Hey guys, we got a little bonus bait swap. So Jeff from Real Custom Lures, we did a bait swap. I just got done with Gino from Rams Lures and just checked the mail. And Mr. Jeff sent me some goodies too. So we're going to throw this one at the end of the video. So I asked him for spinner bait and an inline spinner. And look at these guys, right? Look at this. Look at this. You guys and your inline spinners, such amazing craftsmanship. Man, does that look good or what? I'm throwing that a curve for sure. That is outstanding. Look at that. Red. Love red. Such a great color. And then look at this. All right, hold on. I open this up. A lot harder without a tripod. This is a 3/8 Indiana blade spinnerbait. All right. Oh yeah. Sorry, I had to put you down. Oh, that's going to be throwing a curve. Man, you guys in your wire work. That's so awesome. I love that. I think I've seen this one on a video too. And I fell in love with it on a video, so this is even better. So, I'm working on a bait board actually right now. Something to really showcase all the different stickers and everyone that I've had contact with. So, this is what I started with. You guys think? I haven't stuck to stickers yet, but we'll see. So, Jeff, thank you. I couldn't be happier. Your craftsmanship, outstanding. These will be put to good use. Sent yours out today, so it's Tuesday. They should get there by the end of the week. I hope you like them, but thank you so much. I appreciate what you did. Your baits are fantastic. I'll give, of course, links in the description for his channel's information in the descriptions. That's it, guys. I hope you have a good day. Appreciate you. See ya.